Hi guys, this is organic nomenclature and we are going to be naming carbonyl compounds called ketones. So the general formula of ketones is RCOR. So since the functional group is in between two R groups, so it will be given the least number. So preference should be given to the functional group. And the general formula of this compound would be Cn H2n plus 1 and CO, because CnH2n plus 1 would be on both sides of the C double bond O group. So in order to name this compound, since there are two R groups present on either side of C double bond O, so the least number of carbon atoms in the smallest ketone would be 3. So this would be CH3, CO, CH3. And the name of this compound would be, numbering it from left to right or right to left would be the same thing. So 1, 2, 3. This would be called propane 2-one. And in the name of propane, E would be removed. So another ketone would be CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Now the numbering would be done from right to left, giving the least number to the C double bond O group. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. The name of this compound would be butane 2-one. The next ketone would be CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So numbering would be done from left to right. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this would be called pentane 2-one. We have another pentane to pentanone rather, but with the C double bond O position at the third position. So we can have CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, and CH3. In this case, the numbering can be done from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to right, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from right to left. It wouldn't make a difference because the position of the C double bond O remains on the third position. So the name of this ketone would be pentane 3-one. So now let's introduce some substituted groups to our ketones. So we would have CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3 with an OH group placed here. So the name of this compound would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hydroxy butane 2-one. Another example would be CH3, CH, C double bond O, CH, CH3 with a methyl group present at one end and a nitro group present at the other end of the C double bond O group, rather adjacent to it. So now the numbering could be done from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be done from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the position of the C double bond O group remains the same. So numbering could have been done from either end, but since we've got a methyl group uh, as one of the substitute group and a nitro group as the other, so methyl's M would be given preference over nitro's N. So the numbering would be done from left to right, naming this compound as 2-methyl 4-nitro pentane 3-one. Another example would have a ketone with two substitute groups on the same carbon atom, one of them being CH3, the other being OH. So now the numbering would be done from right to left, giving the least number to the C double bond O group. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the name would be written as giving preference to the hydroxy over methyl because H comes before M. So this would be 3 hydroxy 3 methyl butane 2 one. And that is how ketones are named.